In this video, we're going to customise your GoPro 10 for under $10. Now, there's a few companies out there that actually supply skins for different electronic products, but I've got this GoPro skin from a company called GADGETSHIELDZ. GADGETSHIELDZ ship worldwide, they're really cheap, and they supply you with high quality skins for your electronic devices. No matter what you've got, they've got you covered. Pretty much everything out there, laptops, phones, GoPros, all sorts of things. They do skins for it, and they are really easy to fit. They supply you with a little slip in the envelope that actually gives you the tutorial. You scan the QR code, go straight through to the website, and gives you a video tutorial on how to actually install the skin. So really handy, really quick, and I actually did it in just under 20 minutes whilst I was putting this one onto my GoPro. I went for this colour scheme. I've gone like for a camo, black around the edges, and then a bright yellow on the front and the rim of the GoPro. I was impressed with the installation process. You have to use like hairdryer or a heat gun to actually get the edges right down on the yellow bits here, but it was easy enough. The actual sides went on really quickly, and then I used the heat gun for the sides. I haven't got it perfect. You have to be quite patient with these kind of things and try and get the heat on there first. Use a lot of heat. I haven't got the most patience, but it's done a good enough job. And yes, it does work with the media mod. It is a tighter fit, but it does work with the media mod. I've put it in there a few times in and out, and it hasn't taken the skins off. They use high quality 3M material, so I'm fully expecting this to last, and I'm really impressed with the colour. If you go on the website, they've got a myriad of different colours you can do, loads and loads of different combinations. They've just released a new fabric one which looks really cool. They do metallic, matte colours, the camo, they do different like carbon fibre ones, lots of different ones that you'd expect from a big skins company. So really impressed with it so far, and for under $10, this cost me $7.96, I think it was. Really impressed with it, and it's something that you can really make your GoPro stand out. All GoPros, they look the same, and they're a little bit boring to look at, but with these skins, you can pick your GoPro out from the crowd, and it really does look really sick. So there we go, a quick one today on how to customise your GoPro for under $10. Looks really cool, doesn't it? I like the yellow, I like the black. That's sort of the theme for my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, that's what I went for. Really impressed. That's GADGETSHIELDZ. Check them out in the link in the description down below. Stay tuned for more videos, but that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.